Welcome back to the beginning of section 4, and congratulations on finishing the demo section of the game where we got all of the mechanics working correctly for a game. Now we're going to make it better, and we're going to start by doing that by, instead of having our log here just sit in the one spot, we're going to have it spawn in instead of just disappearing. So each time we pick up a log, we're going to destroy this log, and then we're going to have another one spawn. Now when we do this video, it won't look any different. The only thing that we'll end up having is a continuous log sitting there. However, in the next video we're going to learn how to make them spawn in different spots, so we'll get to that very shortly. So let's get on with this one. So for a start, we've got our log sitting here ready to go. Alright, so let's change the script in here for a start. Now, because when we run over this, we are going to destroy it. Alright, down here where we're changing, making it invisible, etc., well, we don't need to do that anymore, and we don't really need to worry about db in here either. We can simply put in here log, a colon, and then we have the method destroy, okay, which will destroy this entire instance, the code, and all of this, and make it disappear. Alright, now if the player already has a log and they run over it, well, we still want this to happen down here, but we might just or we want db to reset, so you know, you can come back and grab the same log again. So that's all we need to do to the script itself to make it disappear. Now we'll leave this one where it is, and we'll take a copy of this. So if we go Command C and come down to server storage, alright, and we'll Command Shift and paste, sorry, or we'll just paste into, that's the one we want to do. Now we've got a copy in the server storage that we can work with, and this is the thing that we're going to spawn from. Alright, so let's close our log script, and where to spawn it from. Well, I had to think about this, and for this particular simple game, we're going to do it in our main script, and I'll show you how to use something very useful to you. Okay, so the thing that is making our logs is our log count. Okay, so each time this changes, then we want to, the log in the workspace is going to get destroyed, and we want this to, when this changes, we want to spawn another log. So down the bottom, underneath everything else, right after your last variable, just make a couple of spaces, and we're going to add a variable to get access to server storage. So I just call it SS for server storage equals game, and then we get this because this is a service. Alright, so get service server storage. Alright, so that variable holds this here. So it says, okay, you want to make use of this and whatever's inside. Next, we want to get a log out of here, right? And we do that by just looking into it. Okay, so we'll say wait for child, because this is running when everything gets set up, so we need to make sure we wait until this is ready. And the child we're waiting for is our log part. Alright, so this is going to what we're working with to spawn our logs. Now, to keep track of the variable up here, alright, which is log count. Now we're going to use this name because we're within this script, not this one. Okay, we'll come back down here and we'll type its name, so player log count. There it is, it's popped up, and we're going to put dot, and we can use a special listener, like I said before, okay, an event changed. So when this value changes, this code will run. And because we want to have a function, we put a colon and then connect, and inside we'll put function, and we don't need any parameters in there at all. The only thing we really need to do now is make a new version, a copy of this log we have stored over here in server storage. So local, and we can call it new log, equals, okay, log, which is this one here, and clone. Okay, it's not spawn, it's clone. So we are making a copy of this log and putting it here, and then all we want to do is parent that to the workspace. Okay, so let's save that and just see how it works. So the thing to watch when we are testing here, if we expand our workspace, we'll see we have one log part in here. So as I run over this now, we still have one log part. Log count has gone up. I still can't make more log parts. If I run over here, okay, get rid of the log, and then there we go, it's gone up to 2. Now as I said, it looks like the part is just staying there and nothing's happening. However, it is actually very quickly destroying this part and then spawning a new one in here. Alright, so we'll leave that video as it is now, so make sure you save it as a version, and in the next video we're going to make this log spawn in different locations rather than just in the same spot, and then you'll see better how the spawning works. Okay, I'll see you in the next video.